Okay, I'm going to show you the very basics for how you can get into cryptocurrency and how you can buy Axion as your first one. This is a guide for complete beginners who may have never purchased crypto before, but it will also be useful to many seasoned investors as I give some valuable tricks and tips. There are many different ways you can buy cryptocurrency. You can use one of the big exchanges that you can find on Google, like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance, or Kraken. Or you can use your own crypto wallet, such as Metamask or Trust Wallet. I should mention at this point, a wallet or an exchange doesn't actually store your crypto. Crypto is stored on the blockchain, which is basically a decentralized database stored across hundreds of thousands of computers all over the globe. It keeps a log of everyone's balances and transactions and is basically immutable. No single person can change or hack the database. Each wallet has a private key, which is basically a mathematical sum granting you access to your wallet. What's the difference between your own wallet and an exchange? An exchange lets you convert real money, like euros or US dollars, into Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other currency, and also allows you to withdraw it back into your bank. An exchange provides a wallet as part of their service. However, you don't necessarily have full control over that wallet or your funds within it. They don't give you the private key. Instead, you log in with a username and password. Having your own wallet, such as Metamask, can be safer, as it means you own the private keys to the crypto stored in the wallet. You have full control over it, compared to an exchange where they essentially have full custody over your funds, as you don't have those private keys. Many exchanges have been shut down for various reasons over the years, and when this happens, people can lose access to their funds. In fact, over 75 exchanges got shut down in 2020 alone. Exchanges also charge higher fees and can have worse rates than if you just use your own wallet. Another simple thing to know is there are several different blockchains, and each one needs a unique wallet. Some wallets can handle several blockchains, some only one. The main two chains are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum has many altcoins running on its network, the Ethereum blockchain, and this is what we're going to be using to buy Axion. So the first steps I recommend if you're diving into the world of crypto is to set up a different browser on your computer just for cryptocurrency. Many of you may be using Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome as your main browser. Now, Metamask can be installed on Google Chrome or Brave browser. I suggest you install Brave. So if you go to brave.com and download Brave. So install software and Brave should open its browser. Brave is based on Google Chrome, so it's very similar. What I recommend you do now it's opened is right click on the icon down here and pin to taskbar. That will keep that icon there all the time. And we've also got it on my desktop. So I can go into Brave browser now. And as I say, I would recommend using this separate browser just for your cryptocurrency. Don't log into Facebook on here, don't do other stuff, just keep it for your crypto. So now we've got Brave browser, we need to get Metamask. So you can just type in Google Metamask and head to a download page. Always make sure you're going to the official website, metamask.io. Sometimes there are adverts that pop up here for a fake Metamask that can steal your funds. So we're going to make sure we go to the real one, metamask.io, or we can type it in as well, metamask.io. Crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. Download. We're going to download it for Brave. Add to Brave. Add extension. And then it's going to download and install into a browser. Okay, Metamask has been added to Brave. Welcome to Metamask. You've got this little fox head that follows you around. Now what I recommend you do now is click on this puzzle icon, extensions icon, and you can see all the extensions you have installed. As I say, this browser we're going to only use for crypto, so it's best you don't install any other extensions. So I recommend you click the pin icon here, which will pin it to your taskbar here. So now if we close the browser, open it up again, Metamask is always there, easily accessible. So, welcome to Metamask. Get started. Now, most of you are setting up a brand new wallet for the first time. So we want to click the second option, create a wallet. If you're recovering a wallet because you have the seed phrase, you can import a wallet here. So create a wallet, go no thanks on this one, and now create a password. So create a password that you're going to remember. I'm just going to type password for now and create. Secret backup phrase. Now this is very similar to the private keys we mentioned earlier. Now for this Metamask account or wallet, you will get a private key and this secret backup phrase, or your seed phrase, they call it. They are basically the same thing. Your secret phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take over your account forever. So, I click the box and I can see 12 different words. These 12 words will get anyone into our account, but we need to make sure we keep these safe. So, write it on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. It's best to write it down on multiple locations, so if something happens to the first copy, you've got a second copy somewhere safe. Never take a photograph of this. Never text it to yourself. Never email it to yourself. This is how a lot of people get their cryptocurrency stolen and their wallets hacked. If you email these 12 words to yourself, someone could be snooping on your email, find those 12 words, and steal your funds. Likewise, if you take a photo of them and someone hacks into your phone or hacks into your iCloud backup, whatever, they could see this photo and instantly these hackers, they know what it is. They know there's money stored behind those 12 words and it's all they need. So when you get to this stage, simply grab a pen and paper, write down these 12 words and click on next. Okay, I've written down the 12 words now. You should never copy them either. You should never copy them on your computer to paste it into a document to save on your desktop. That would be very bad. Once you've written them down, click on next. Confirm your secret phrase. Please select each word in order to make sure it is correct. Kit. Okay, when you've clicked on all of them in the correct order, the confirm button will be active. If you got them in the wrong order, you can drag them around to correct the order. Confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe, it's your responsibility. Save it in multiple places. Never share the phrase. Be careful of phishing. Metamask will never ask you for your seed phrase. Now, lots of people do accidentally click on a fake Metamask window, or they get sent a message saying they've won some Bitcoin or some Ethereum, and they get taken to a dodgy website that asks them for the seed phrase. And they fall for it, they type in the 12 words, and within minutes all their money is stolen. So these 12 words are so important, you should never type them in again after this point. Now we've got our wallet set up. That's it, it's set up on your computer and it's protected with that password that we just created. So let me show you that. If I close Brave browser, I open it up again. We should find that when I go to Metamask, it's going to be logged out. There we go. So this is the Metamask window. When you click on here, this drops down. and you type in your password. We're now logged into our account, and we can see that we have 0 Ethereum in the wallet. So this is your wallet address. It's called account 1, and if I click on this, it will copy our wallet address. I can then see this is our Ethereum wallet address. This is where people can send money to, or you can send money from. You can also explore your wallet on what's called Etherscan. This is basically scanning the Ethereum network or blockchain. So if you click on those 3 dots and click on View on Etherscan, it will take you to your address on etherscan.io website. And you can see there's been no transactions and there's no balance. Once we buy our first crypto, we will see the balance here, the value in US dollars, and the transaction for when we bought the crypto. So, how do you buy your first crypto? Metamask does have a function within it where you can buy your crypto, or you can go to one of those websites, one of the big exchanges like Coinbase.com, and buy it on one of those sites, and then send it to your wallet address. When you send it from Coinbase to here, it will take 5 or 6 minutes, and then it will appear here. What I'll show you in the next video is how to buy cryptocurrency using the buy button directly inside Metamask.